The picture I had shared with you at work wearing a pink top and jeans and I'm holding them out, I sent to Kevin's mom and she's like, okay, that's enough. You don't need to lose anymore. But since then, I think I've probably lost another 5 or 8 pounds. So I think when she sees me, she's going to be like, where did you go? They'll be shocked. I always maintained this like 175 for years and could eat anything, do anything, no problem. And then probably about 10 years ago, had a really bad relationship, stressful breakup, and I started to see pounds coming up. I'm like, oh no, I gotta do something. And then randomly your program popped up. And when I saw how quickly and how easy it was and how much I was eating and still losing weight, I'm like, okay, this is good. The versatility, like following the recipes was super easy. And even then, once I got more comfortable with them, it was so easy for me to then make my own choices with things that I knew that I liked. Seeing the definition, losing back fat that I didn't even know that I had before. And I saw that in the 3 weeks when I look back, like from my April to my May photos, I can see like things are lifted. My butt is lifted, my belly button's higher. I had clothes that I have had for years and years and years and never worn that were too tight. And when we moved, I tried all my clothes on, and stuff that like I never fit in, I bought because I'm like, I'm gonna get into this one day. Now it was too big and I had to get rid of. My body is a lot smaller, and never did I think I would actually get into this stuff. So yeah, definitely smaller, tighter, lifted. Like I've always had cellulite on my legs that I just thought was normal and would never go away, but my legs are so much smoother. Hard indented spots on the sides of my thighs, like completely gone. Our son was showing one of my family members the house, and he's like, this is where my mom exercises. And I'm like, oh, like that's good. It's important. So it's good. You want to make sure that because I never saw that growing up. So I want to make sure he knows that it's healthy, and those are things that, we all do, kids, adults, grown people. Definitely the community, I think, helps a lot. So, when people have the courage to sign up, I think then, seeing everyone else and everyone else pushing through or, owning up to mistakes that they make, it definitely creates a feeling of safety so that, someone can continue on in the program knowing they're not being judged. Definitely is an easy program. And yeah, you just need a little mental, push through. And I think like anybody can succeed with it. You can tell like this is something that is like deep in you. You want to help people, and you need that because a lot of trainers, it's just about the money, it's a job. It's just like in and out, let's get this done. But you make the time for people and you make people feel important. So keep that up.